The mongoose is a small, agile carnivore known for its fearlessness and remarkable ability to take on venomous snakes, making it one of the most intriguing members of the animal kingdom. Found across Africa, Asia and southern Europe, mongooses belong to the family Herpestidae, which includes over 30 species, each with its unique adaptations to diverse habitats ranging from grasslands and forests to savannas and semi-deserts. Physical characteristics. Mongooses are small to medium-sized animals, typically measuring between 24 to 58 centimeters, 9.4 to 23 inches in length, with a tail that can be as long as their body. They have a slender, elongated body with short legs, a pointed snout, and sharp, non-retractable claws that are ideal for digging. Their fur is generally short and coarse, varying in color from gray to brown, and often features distinctive markings such as stripes or spots, depending on the species. One of the most well-known species is the Indian grey mongoose Herpestes edwardsi, recognized for its role in folklore and its famed ability to fight and kill cobras. Another notable species is the banded mongoose Mongoose mongo, which is easily identified by the horizontal stripes across its back. Despite their small size, mongooses are known for their agility and speed, which are crucial for both hunting and avoiding predators. Behavior and diet. Mongooses are primarily carnivorous, with a diet that includes insects, crabs, earthworms, lizards, birds, and small mammals. Some species are also known to eat fruits and seeds, making them omnivorous. Their hunting strategy is often bold and aggressive, relying on their quick reflexes and sharp teeth to capture prey. Mongooses are particularly famous for their ability to kill venomous snakes, a feat achieved through a combination of agility, thick fur that offers some protection against bites, and in some species, a degree of resistance to snake venom. The social structure of mongooses varies by species. Some, like the Indian grey mongoose, are solitary hunters, while others, like the banded mongoose, live in large, cooperative groups known as mobs or packs. These social species exhibit complex behaviors such as coordinated hunting, communal care of the young, and collective defense against predators. Group living also allows them to share the responsibilities of grooming, which helps to maintain the social bonds within the group. Mongooses are diurnal, meaning they are most active during the day. They spend their time foraging for food, grooming, and resting. Many species are adept burrowers, creating complex underground networks that provide shelter from the elements and a safe place to raise their young. In some regions, mongooses have adapted to living near human settlements, where they scavenge for food scraps and help control populations of pests, such as rats and insects. Reproduction and lifespan. Mongoose reproduction varies widely among species, with some species breeding year-round and others having specific breeding seasons. The gestation period typically lasts about 42 to 84 days, after which the female gives birth to a litter of 2 to 4 pups. The young are born blind and helpless, relying entirely on their mother and, in social species, the group for care and protection. In species like the banded mongoose, the entire group participates in raising the young, a behavior known as alloparenting. This cooperative breeding system ensures that the pups have a higher chance of survival as they are cared for by multiple adults. The young are weaned at around 6 to 8 weeks old and start learning to hunt and forage by mimicking the adults. The lifespan of mongooses varies by species and environmental conditions. In the wild, they typically live between 6 to 10 years, but in captivity, where they are protected from predators and have access to regular food and medical care, they can live up to 15 years. Ecological role and conservation. Mongooses play a vital role in their ecosystems as both predators and prey. By controlling populations of insects, rodents, and other small animals, they help maintain a balance in the food chain. Their presence also influences the behavior and distribution of other species, including the snakes they are known to hunt. However, their role as a predator can sometimes bring them into conflict with humans, particularly in agricultural areas where they may prey on poultry or other small livestock. While most mongoose species are not currently endangered, some face threats from habitat loss, hunting, and the introduction of invasive species. For example, the small Indian mongoose Herpestes javanicus was introduced to various islands in the Caribbean and the Pacific to control rats and snakes, but it became an invasive species itself, preying on native birds, reptiles, and small mammals, leading to a decline in local biodiversity. Conservation efforts for mongooses focus on habitat preservation, education, and in some cases, the control of invasive populations to protect native species. Protected areas and wildlife reserves play a crucial role in ensuring that mongoose populations remain stable and that they can continue to fulfill their ecological roles. Cultural significance. Mongooses have a significant place in the folklore and culture of many regions, particularly in India, where the Indian grey mongoose is celebrated for its bravery and snake-killing prowess. This species has been immortalized in literature, most famously in Rudyard Kipling's Rikki Tikki Tavi, a story about a heroic mongoose who protects a family from deadly cobras. In some cultures, mongooses are also associated with good luck and protection against evil spirits. Despite their revered status in some parts of the world, mongooses are often misunderstood and even feared due to their aggressive nature and association with venomous snakes. Public education and awareness campaigns can help to promote a better understanding of these remarkable animals and the important role they play in their ecosystems. Expanded view: the mongoose in modern ecosystems. As human activities continue to alter natural habitats, the mongoose faces new challenges and opportunities. Urbanization, deforestation, and agriculture have led to habitat fragmentation, which can isolate mongoose populations and reduce genetic diversity. However, some species have shown a remarkable ability to adapt to human-modified environments, thriving in agricultural landscapes, urban areas, and even suburban settings. In regions where mongooses have been introduced as biological control agents, they have become both a problem and a lesson in the unintended consequences of human intervention. These experiences underscore the importance of careful planning and consideration when introducing species into new environments, as the ecological balance is delicate and can be easily disrupted. Climate change also poses a potential threat to mongoose populations, as changing temperatures and weather patterns can affect the availability of prey and suitable habitats. Conservation strategies must therefore be forward-thinking, incorporating climate resilience and adaptive management to ensure that mongoose populations can thrive in the face of these challenges. The mongoose is a small, agile mammal known for its fierce hunting abilities and remarkable adaptability. Belonging to the family Herpestidae, mongooses are found across Africa, Asia, and southern Europe, with some species introduced to other parts of the world, including the Caribbean. There are over 30 species of mongooses, ranging from the diminutive dwarf mongoose to the larger Egyptian mongoose, each with unique behaviors and ecological roles. Physical characteristics: mongooses are generally small to medium-sized mammals, with elongated bodies, short legs, and pointed snouts. Their size varies depending on the species, with the dwarf mongoose being the smallest at around 18 centimeters